Welcome. So today I am with this great device Xiaomi 12 Pro with amazing camera lenses, and I want to show you a couple features that you will probably don't know that exist in this camera application. So at the first, I'm going to show you hidden option on the shutter. Normally when you click you can take photo, right? But when you're in the photo mode and click and hold it, you will record short video to the 15 seconds. Another hidden option will be linked with our volume buttons. When you click once, you can take photo, but with small delay, it's 2 seconds. So when you click right here, you will also be able to add delay to your shutter for 3, 5 or 10 seconds. But the 2 seconds are only the 2 seconds delay we are only able to get by using these volume buttons. You can press volume up and volume down, it works the same. And what's also interesting that we can change function of these volume buttons. So if you want to make it, you have to tap right here, then open the settings. And right now we'll find this option right here, volume buttons function. And we can switch from, for example, for the zoom or volume. Let's switch for the zoom, and I'm gonna show you how great it looks. So we can press the volume up to zoom in. We can, for example, focus on this part of the table. We can zoom to the 20 times and also zoom out by pressing the volume down button. You just have to click and hold it. Okay, so when we are in the zoom, as you can see in the normal photo mode, you get only the 3 presets, right? So we got the ultra wide lens, and the telephoto lens. But when you click another time on selected preset, you will get 3 additional, like 5x, 10x and 20x. You will also get this slider. So with this slider you can zoom in and zoom out like with the volume buttons. That's very useful information for you, I guess. Okay, and another option that you will be, I think, surprised, it will be right here. So normally in most phones you can just take photo by pressing and holding the shutter button, and you will take the series of the photo, right? If it is set up like that to the record video, you can change it in the settings. But in this phone you cannot. You can make it in the Xiaomi 12X, in the normal Xiaomi, but in the 12 Pro you are not able. So we can use another feature. It's called the time burst. You have to click right here and you can enable option that our phone will take 30 photos in 5 seconds interval. To change it, you have to click on this small arrow right here next to the 5 seconds. As you can see, the additional options pops on the screen, and here you can change the interval between 1 second and 60 seconds. So you can decide. I'm gonna show you, for example, for the 1 second, and you can take from 10 to 600 photos. Let's go back. Let's leave this option enabled like that. Click on the shutter. As you can see right now, the phone is taking 600 photos. Of course, we are not going to wait for all of these photos, it will take too much time, so we can skip right here. The phone takes 8 photos. If you want to find them, go for the gallery and tap right here, click on the preview, click on this small icon, and here you can find all of these photos. If you want to save any of them, for example this one, and this one, just select, click on this marker. You can export only selected photos or all of them, so we can decide. Of course, I'm gonna export only selected. And there it is, the 3 photos they will take with this feature. When you go for the more modes, you are also able to get additional modes, so we can download short video, movie effects, documents, or for example the long exposure. So basically you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network or mobile data, then just click once, and this mode will be downloaded. In my case, I'm just not connected to the Wi-Fi network, so I cannot download, but you know. That's also another option, it's called the dual video. So as you can see, when you open it, you are able to record video at the same time from the 2 cameras. You can also switch this preview, so we can get, so we can get the picture in the picture, like in my case. So yeah, that's how it works. You can also go for the settings, like in the normal photo mode, and you can, for example, you can, for example, turn off the shutter sound. So yeah, that's my tricks for this phone, for the Xiaomi 12 Pro. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.